wrote your anger on my door, cursed my name and asked for war, but I will answer calm and clear. The truth is louder than your fear. While Russian guns tear lives apart, stealing children, breaking hearts, you blame the wrong, you turn away, but I will sing what they betrayed. You said respect is in the past, you pray my song won't ever last, but every insult that you send becomes a verse I will defend. While Russian guns tear lives apart, stealing children, breaking hearts, you close your eyes, but I will stay and sing the truth they can't erase. Not the people, but the crown, it's the empire burning down. You throw curses, I bring light. Songs survive the darkest night. While Russian guns tear lives apart, stealing children, breaking hearts, your venom fades, but hope will stay, and I will sing for brighter days. Your hatred on my wall, but love will answer after all.
Morning dew on a mossy stone, breath of earth where the roots have grown, a quiet hush beneath the trees. The world exhales in gentle peace. Echoes in the moss beneath my feet, stories sleeping where the stillness meets. Every step a whispered rhyme, woven deep in forest time. Feather falls from skies of gray, carried slow, then floats away. The day unfolds in amber light, and every shadow feels just right. Echoes in